Hello and welcome. I'm so glad you have taken the time out of your day to learn about flexible spending accounts with TaxSaver Plan. As we go through these slides, it is important to note that your employer may have their own limits and rules on the plan, so please contact our customer services department for more information specific to your employer. Let's get started. This video will cover Health FSAs, Limited Health FSAs, Dependent Care FSAs, how to use your funds, and the TaxSaver Plan promise. Let's start with the Health FSA or General Purpose Health FSA. The General Purpose Health FSA acts as a pre-tax interest-free health loan from your employer. The federal maximum that can be contributed can change year to year, and your employer may have different limits in place. Funds are available day one and you contribute throughout the year. Predicting how much to elect is easy. The best predictor of the future is the past. So just take some time to look over your explanation of benefits from your current insurance carrier to see how much you spent on out-of-pocket costs this year. Some eligible general purpose Health FSA expenses include copays, orthodontia, glasses and contacts, and so much more. If it is used to diagnose, cure, mitigate, treat, or prevent disease, it is likely FSA eligible. If you ever have any questions about the eligibility of a service, just give our knowledgeable customer services team a call prior to services being provided and we'll be happy to confirm for you. Please note as we go through each plan that the elections you make during open enrollment are generally for the next 12-month period. Elections you make during open enrollment usually cannot be changed mid-year without a qualifying event. Each account is a separate election and funds are not interchangeable. Now let's talk about the Limited Health FSA. If you have a health savings account or HSA that has pre-tax contributions made either by you or your employer, you are not eligible to participate in the General Full Purpose Health FSA that we just discussed. But your employer may offer a limited FSA that HSA members are eligible for. The only difference between a limited purpose and general purpose health FSA is the limited purpose is only for dental and vision expenses. The limited purpose FSA only applies to members also enrolled in an HSA and may not be offered in all plan designs. Please contact TaxSaver Plan's customer service department if you have any questions. Another type of FSA is the Dependent Care or Daycare FSA. The federal maximum a family may contribute per year is $5,000, but your employer may have different limits. Unlike the Health FSA, the Daycare FSA funds are available as they are contributed throughout the year. If you are a parent, you know that you already get a tax break for your dependent children, so we often get asked if a Daycare FSA is worth it. The answer to this is absolutely yes. Daycare costs are very easy to predict, and your individual tax savings experience when participating in the Daycare FSA far exceeds what you experience taking tax credit at almost all income levels. This plan is designed to allow you and your spouse to provide qualified care for your dependents while you are both at work or school. Some eligible Daycare FSA expenses include private school for preschool-aged children, daycare, summer camps, and activity camps. Accessing your Health FSA and Daycare FSA funds is easy. Your employer may offer these plans on benefit debit cards. If so, you can access these funds directly using the debit cards that TaxSaver Plan will issue to you. We issue each participant 2 cards, both in the employee's name. If you are enrolled in multiple plans with TaxSaver Plan, all plans will be available on the same card. If your employer does not offer debit cards, or if you prefer to shoebox your expenses, you can submit out-of-pocket expenses for reimbursement. To do so, you would submit a claim form with an itemized receipt for our experienced claims team to review. All itemized receipts will need to have 5 things: name of patient, name of provider, date of service, type of service, and amount of service. If you are submitting a claim for a daycare expense, you just need to fill out our claim form with the dates of service and amount of service. Claims are reviewed within 2 business days and reimbursements are made at least weekly. Your employer may have special reimbursement guidelines. Please contact TaxSaver Plan's customer service department if you have any questions about the debit card or the reimbursement process for your specific employer. As we briefly touched on, TaxSaver Plan may issue each participant 2 debit cards in the employee's name if your employer offers debit cards. The cards are very easy to use because they are very smart. FSA debit cards work off merchant category codes, so they will only work and allow you to pay at eligible merchants. While the card may know you are paying at a doctor's office, it does not know what services are being rendered. For this reason, you'll want to hang on to your itemized receipts even when you use your card, because we may reach out to you to substantiate your swipe in accordance with IRS regulations. To do a little recap, Health FSA funds are available on the first day of the plan year. Dependent Care funds are available to you as you contribute the funds through your payroll. The funds are available for services incurred during the plan year. So, for example, a calendar year plan year would allow you to incur expenses from January 1st to December 31st, assuming you were an active employee for the entire year. Employers may also offer a run-out period, which allows you time to submit claims against the prior plan year before the funds are forfeited. If you have any questions on what your employer plan year is, please contact our customer services department. Our exceptional customer services department is standing by, eager to assist you in any questions or concerns you have during open enrollment or during the plan year. So please visit our website, send them an email, or give them a call, and they will be happy to assist you. Thank you again for taking the time out of your day to watch this presentation. We are excited to provide exceptional service to your company in the coming year. Please keep in mind that the purpose of this video is to provide generic information. Plan designs and offerings may vary from employer to employer. IRS limits are also subject to change at any time. Have a great day!